Hi, Ed. This is Becky Divine, and I am really actually doing awesome. So you asked me to tell you a little bit about what's going on. Firstly, yes, I am 2 weeks in, and in the first week of listening to the recordings, I heard, I believe it was Kevin Satch talking about, or maybe it was yourself. Ooh, sorry, talking about asking a question to my Facebook group. Yeah, it was you. Now, I have quite a big following, but none of them are buyers, right? So they all just take all my information as they have for years, and then they, whatever, they go buy some $3,000 thing from somebody else, right? So, and then they tell me about it. So what I did was I asked them. I'm in the spiritual connection with people. I've been doing this for a long, long time, and so what I asked them was, what's their biggest block? You want to be a healer, you want to be a guide, you want to work with, talking to animals or something. What's your block? And everyone started going for it. So in that section, I just started answering them saying, hey, I can help you with that. If you want more confidence, if you want to da. Everyone was booking in, right? So now I got this calendar thing that you guys have, and they're all booking in to talk to me. And in my first 5 days of doing that, okay, I am at $9,100, maybe a little bit more, maybe almost the 10K. I'm probably going to do that today. I've got a couple of calls today. So they're signing up. Now, not only are they signing up, okay, but the people that I've already got in my academy, because I created an academy for teaching, I'm already there, ready to go. They upgraded. Okay, so I had 4 people upgrade from my current connections. So this is I'm just asking a question, and I haven't even started all the funnels, advertising, blah, 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 but I made a couple of little videos about it for myself just to get the practice, and people are booking in like nuts. So I was supposed to have a call with Kevin. I've had to put it off twice because every time I book with him, someone books in my calendar, and I have to take my calls first, right? Obviously. So I just want to say, I already knew when I was getting into this, I was already excited. Okay. But now I know how much more I can actually achieve. And so I am up, I've already passed the offer codex. I'm up to the next part now, doing the funnels, etc. I am listening while I'm doing other things. I'm really trying to absorb. However, I do get interrupted because I'm running a current business, an academy, a Telegram group for support. So there's the things that I'm doing, but don't worry, I'm not sitting on social media. I make my videos in the morning. It takes me about 10 minutes, and all of those videos go across to everywhere else. But doing this has made me feel more confident. After 13 years of being online and 32 years of doing this work, I feel more like something's happening, like there's momentum under my feet. So thank you. I'm going to keep going, and I appreciate what you're offering here. I know how hard it is and all the work that you're putting into it. So I really do appreciate you, and thanks for listening. I hope this wasn't too long. Okay, thank you. Bye.